Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over the square root of 1 minus s squared. This one we change by u. The s over this one we change by the u. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.